showing how to replace the new motherboard. First of all, you need to know the location of the motherboard and aiming the 4 copper pillars on the motherboard location. After the position has fixed, put on the shelled plant. Then screw down the corners. Secondly, you need to find the yellow lens contact to motherboard with the last screw. Thirdly, contacted the mother power lamp. Black power lamp is cathode, while red lamp is the anode. Carefully choose between the cathode and the anode. If plug the lamp by mistake, it will cause a spurt. And then, here's the negative lamp is blue. Contact to power lamp. And this white colored data lamp. The last lamp is the alarm hall lamp. You need to plug it in the last port on motherboard.